about career.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, Prem. Sir, I want to ask you some question. Yes, you may ask any question. Sir, I want to take your advice about my career. Prem, what are you doing these days? Sir, I have appeared in the 12th class examination this year. And now, what is your expectation about your result? Sir, my result is expected next month. Prem, how have you done your papers? Sir, I expect to get about 80% mark. Very good. Then you can get an admission in BCom Honours easily. But sir, I want to do a good job-oriented professional course. Then it is okay. You can go in for a career in computer accountancy. Sir, I am interested in computer course. Sir, which institute do you suggest for computer accountancy? For this, NIIT, Delhi University and IGNOU, etc. Sir, your advice is good. You can go in for a short and long-term diploma courses in accountancy. How much time will be required for this course, sir? Short-term 1 year and long-term diploma courses 2 to 3 years of duration.